How to use the rejection filter in trading. A strong rejection gives some insights in the future trend in trading. When it comes to analyzing candlestick patterns, traders often use a strength filter to determine the level of rejection in a given pattern. In the case of a 3-candlestick pattern, the strength filter can be used to identify whether the pattern is exhibiting a strong, good, or weak rejection. To apply the strength filter, traders typically look at 2 criteria: whether the third candle closed above the previous candle's open and whether the third candle closed within the top 1/3 of its range. Let's consider 3 cases. In the case of a strong rejection, both of these criteria are fulfilled, and the third candle closes at the maximum of its range. This indicates that the market is strongly rejecting the previous trend and that a potential reversal may be imminent. A good rejection occurs when the third candle closes within the top third of its range and meets the first criterion. While not as strong as a strong rejection, a good rejection still suggests a potential reversal and can be a useful signal for traders. Finally, a weak rejection occurs when only the first criterion is fulfilled, and the third candle closes below the top third of its range. This suggests that the market may be experiencing some hesitation in rejecting the previous trend, and traders should exercise caution when interpreting this signal. Finally, applying a strength filter to candlestick patterns can provide traders with valuable insights into potential market reversals. By looking at both the closing position of the third candle and its overall range, traders can identify the level of rejection in a given pattern and make more informed trading decisions. To finish, do not forget to look in the description how I can help you with your trading. Thanks for watching.